Hey guys, it's Malika, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of my second sampler box. Now this one again took like a month to come. If you haven't checked out my first box where I got Puracell laundry detergent, I thought it was dishwasher detergent, but it's actually laundry detergent. Click in the link below, I'll link it below. But this thing I'm pretty sure is Boost, but I ordered it so long ago that I kind of forgot what I ordered or what I got. So without further ado, let's open the box and see what my sample is. So it's in the same size box as my first one. It's just like a small, compared to the knife, a small box. It says again, your sample picks are here. And let's see. I feel like this is probably gonna be upside down, but whoa, oh, okay. So I guess I didn't. This isn't the Boost one. Maybe Boost is coming later. We got some all with stain lifters, free, pure. I think this is laundry detergent. Plant-based, clean, active. Check the stain. Contains 1 load. Yep. So 1 load of laundry detergent. But this is like the liquid. And then we have the Finish. We actually use these. Jet Aid, 23 washes. So this is the like Rinse Aid, Jet Aid. It's not the like packages that you put in the dishwasher. Okay, so we have the 23 washes by Finish Jet Dry. A $20, it says prepaid Visa card for your opinion. And then coupons for all the Finish products. So we actually might use some of those. And then the last thing is just the sampler card, and it says to give the samples attention. To share sampler love. So that's what I got in this one. I got laundry detergent and 23 washes, which I feel like is actually quite a lot of dishwasher detergent, Rinse Aid. That was just my short video of unboxing my second sampler box. I'm hoping to get another one, I guess, with like the Boost stuff, unless maybe that one just won't show up. But it's super easy. They send you an email when samples are available. You just go fill out some questions and then pick what samples you want at the end. So I just pick them all. So that's only been 3 so far, but 3 is better than none. If you want to sign up for Sampler, you can use the link down below. I'll try to link it. And then also, if you haven't checked out my other videos, be sure to check out my channel and subscribe and press the bell notification because I really want to get to 200 subscribers. So that's all I have for you today. Have a wonderful time, and we'll see you later.